How to wash denim. Make sure you empty your pockets first. Don't forget those sneaky inside pockets. Zip up the zippers, button the buttons, uncuff jeans and sleeves, and flip inside out. Trust us, extra care will pay off in the long run. If your denim is new, hand wash is recommended for the first few washes. If it's not, you can skip to the machine wash section. Put a scoop of your mildest detergent in cold water and mix it well. Mild detergent, like one from Nellie's, doesn't introduce chemicals, fillers, or heavy fragrances into the fabric. It rinses clear, so your clothes won't be damaged by extra chemical residue. Submerge your denim and squeeze gently. Massage the denim to release dirt and excess dye into the water. Let it soak for 20 to 30 minutes if time allows, or move on to the next step. Once clean, replace the water. Now add some vinegar. You heard it right. Vinegar softens the fabrics, kills any odors, and preserves the dyes, unlike chemical softeners which can coat the fabric and damage your clothes over time. Now rinse your denim, take it out, and pat dry. You can use a secret rolling technique to soak all the excess water. Try not to go for the dryer to avoid shrinkage and friction. You can hang it anywhere, just make sure it's not in direct sunlight, or lay it flat on a towel until it's ready for the next adventure. If your denim is not new, you can wash it in the washing machine. Toss it in with other denim or similar colored clothes. Use your mildest detergent. Set the dial to delicate, cold water and low spin. When the cycle is done, it's ready to dry. Easy.